guys, hello, welcome back again to my channel. God, I'm so happy today. You already know why I'm so happy. I'm so happy because I just hit 1,000 subscribers. You guys, stepping high. Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to you all who has subscribed to my channel, and those of you that haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Come on, hit on that subscribe button. Let's take this ministry to the permanent side. Hi guys, this is your girl Mercy, and in today's video I just want to share with you all how you can maintain your coily hair with just water, how you can give it that juicy, fresh and wet look with just water. So guys, if you're joining me for the first time, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and support your girl. Let's get into it. So basically you can use your hand to wet the hair, like wet your hand and then smooth the hair, or you can use your spray bottle filled with water and spray and then smooth the hair or scratch the hair to give the coils the definition. But on this video I'm using my hands. I think it's far much better for me because it helps the water penetrate into the hair perfectly. If you notice, as I'm wetting the hair, I try as much as possible to detangle the hair with my hands. You can also decide to use comb to comb it out, but it's going to appear fuller, so depending on the look you want to wear. So if you decide to keep the hair wet for a longer time, then you need to add little conditioner in the water. So mix little conditioner in the water before you start applying, or you mix conditioner in your spray container with water and shake it up before you start spraying. So guys, this is the finished look. Do you love what you see? This is just water, and if you want to have this wet look for a longer time, like I said before, you apply conditioner on it. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye.